All YouTube users will soon have an account handled, but some will get to pick theirs earlier. Oh, yeah. I got an email or a notification about this.
Okay.
And it's inside of Creator Studio. That in order to make it easier for communication across the platform, someone can mention you in a comment or something by using your @ instead of because I don't know if you remember, it used to be Google Plus integration and you will use the plus symbol to tag somebody. But that's antiquated at this point, and the web is very familiar with the @ idea across the likes of Twitter and Instagram and so on. So this will transition to an @ symbol in order for these communications to take place. And the message that I got is if you already have what would you call it? A custom URL, which there's certain parameters that you have to meet in order to have a custom URL. So not all channels have a custom URL. Some just have a string of characters. But if you already have a custom URL, my understanding is then you will transition to, or this @ will be reserved for you.
Gotcha.
I presume. That seems to be my takeaway from reading the email that I got. This makes a lot of sense, obviously. Oh, by the way, having a custom URL, Will's looking for the parameters here. New custom URLs can no longer be set up, and existing custom URLs can no longer be changed. Existing custom URLs will continue to work. If you must permanently delete your custom URL, you can do so by deleting the channel. Oh, wow. This is an update as of October 10th. That's yesterday. A custom URL is an easy to remember channel URL that you can share with your audience. Wow. So they're getting rid of custom URLs in general, except for those that already have it. They'll continue to support that, but they really want to move away from the idea of URLs, which kind of makes sense as well. But that's a bit weird because if you have like on Twitter, for example, if I can go twitter.com/unboxtherapy as a URL, but I can also be @unboxtherapy. So it's kind of nice to have both still.
Sure.
Which, of course, for me will be fine, but I'm thinking for anybody else that doesn't have that custom URL yet, and now they're only going to get the @ thing. Let's see the quote from YouTube here. We want to ensure creators can craft an identity as unique as their content while giving viewers the confidence that they are interacting with their favorite creators. YouTube says in its blog, creators will still have a channel name, but handles will be unique, potentially cutting down on impersonator accounts. Good Lord, don't get me started on impersonator accounts. It's real ugly out there with the impersonator accounts going on. So I don't know how this verification will work. They say that you want a giveaway or something, and then people will get in touch, and it's often like Telegram or WhatsApp or whatever. And it's not good. Not a good situation. And you would think a company at the scale of Google would have a strategy for demolishing that, but apparently not. And I mean, even Twitter struggles with it too. Where there's enough of an incentive, it feels like people figure out a way to exploit.
Yeah.
So hopefully this system is better. I don't think it's going to be perfect. There seems to be no such thing. YouTube says it will roll out notifications based on factors like overall presence on the platform, subscriber count, and whether the channel is active. Claiming a handle could also be the push needed for creators who aren't on YouTube to join the platform or tend to their account. Users typically need 100 or more subscribers to create custom URL. A notice says choosing, modifying, and deleting URLs is currently on pause. The addition of handles brings YouTube further in line with TikTok, just as the company doubles down on its investment into Shorts. Last month, YouTube announced it would bring monetization to Shorts, letting creators keep 45%. So yeah, it is like the rest of the internet. The rest of the internet basically decided we're going to do @ handles, and so YouTube's basically doing the same thing.